Good morning. Another beautiful day begins now. Today, most interesting clips gives you the best affirmations for a perfect morning. Affirmations are positive and empowering questions you ask your subconscious mind. This technique helps to reprogram your subconscious mind and focus on positive outcomes. For best results, listen at least 3 times a day.
Why is this such a perfect morning? Why do I wake up feeling great? How can I make each morning awesome? Why do I prioritize my health and wellness each morning? Why am I such a brilliant decision maker? Why am I so grateful for this new day? Why am I so happy? Why do people respect me wherever I go? Why am I always treated with kindness by everyone? Why do I always win everyone's heart? Why am I so confident about myself? Why are my blessings always multiplying? Why do I enjoy every moment of my life? Why is life so kind towards me? Why am I the most favored child of the universe? Why do I get to live the life of my dreams? Why is my health so perfect? Why do I always focus on the good? Why is my heart always filled with gratitude? Why do I get to live each day of life in love and joy? Why am I so kind and compassionate? Why am I so talented and gifted? Why is my life so exciting?
Thank you for watching. If you like this type of video, leave a pinned comment.